Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if no JVM could be found on your Windows 10 computer when trying to launch the DbVisualizer application. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for this tutorial. And I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to a Java download web page, so just go ahead and paste it into your browser URL address bar. Select the Windows Online download. Okay, so once that download is done, just go ahead and left click on it one time to open it up. Select yes if you get a user account control pop-up. Select install. And okay, once that's done, go ahead and select close. Let's just restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.